Hello everyone, I am Rutunjay Heramat. Today we will continue with greedy method. Contents covered are minimum cost spanning trees, Prim's algorithm and Kruskal's algorithm. Prim's algorithm and Kruskal's algorithm are used to find out minimum cost spanning trees. Spanning tree is a connected acyclic subgraph that contains all the vertices of graph. Spanning tree will have all the vertices and with minimum possible number of edges. As shown in the slide, G is a graph which has V vertices and E edges. So G is undirected connected graph. T is a spanning tree covering all the vertices of G and it's a acyclic graph. Minimum spanning tree of a weighted connected graph is a spanning tree with the lowest weight, where the weight of a tree is defined as sum of the weights of all its edges. For understanding, take an example. A person going from Belagavi to Bengaluru and have three paths. One through Hubli with cost of 400 rupees, one through Ballari with a cost of 600 rupees, one through Mangaluru 800 rupees. So minimum cost path is through Hubli. So we will find a minimum cost path Belagavi to Hubli and Bengaluru. So same way in minimum spanning tree, we need to find a minimum cost spanning tree for a given weighted connected graph. In slide, given a graph with 4 vertices and 4 edges. The first shown A to B with a weight 1, A to D with a weight of 2, A to C with a weight of 5 and C to D with a weight of 3. From this graph, we need to find out a minimum spanning tree. The first one, W of T1, which has a minimum cost of 6. A second, W of T2 with a cost of 9 and W of T3 with a cost of 8. So within these three, so lowest weight tree is W of T1, that is minimum cost spanning tree. There are two algorithms to find minimum spanning tree. One is Prim's algorithm and one more is Kruskal's algorithm. So let's begin with Prim's algorithm. This algorithm constructs minimum spanning tree through a sequence of expanding subtrees. Initially, subtree constructed by selecting a random vertex from the graph. At each iteration, finding the nearest vertex with minimum weight connected to it and adding to the subtree list. This step repeats until all the vertex of graph included in subtrees. Look into example. G is a undirected weighted connected graph. For this, we need to find out minimum spanning tree using Prim's algorithm. Taking A as a start vertex from which we will find out nearest vertex. So 3 columns mentioned. The first column shows the tree vertices selected initially. Second, the remaining vertices needs to be reached. And third one is a graph. In column 2 and 3, the selected vertex and the edges are shown in a bold. So initially we have taken A. So from vertex A, directly we can reach B, F and E vertex. In middle column showed as B can be reached from A with a weight of 3. Same, E can be reached from A with a weight of 6 and F can be reached from A with a weight of 5. C and D vertex can't be reached directly from A. So it is shown as C of hyphen comma infinity and D of hyphen comma infinity. It means C is not directly connected to A and distance is unknown. So that is infinity, that is long distance, and same for D also. In the next vertex B will be selected as it is nearest to A with a minimum weight of 3. In third column graph, we can see A to B edge is bold as it is selected. Now from B, we can reach C with a weight of 1. From C, we can't reach D directly, so it is infinity. From B, we can reach F with a weight of 4. And from B, we can't reach E, so we will not change that value. So E is directly reachable from A with a weight of 6. If you compare, A to F is of weight 5 and B to F weight of 4. So as B to F weight is less, we replace A to F with B to F. So next, we will look into the nearest vertex from B, that is C. So C will be selected, and in graph we can see B to C will be bold. The same step repeats until all the vertex are reached with a minimum weight. At last we can see in a graph all bold vertices with a minimum cost spanning tree. A to B with a 3, B to C with 1, B to F with 4, F to E with 2, and F to D with 5 weight. So this gives minimum spanning tree. So this is Prim's algorithm. So constructing a minimum spanning tree. Input will be a weighted connected graph and output will be a minimum spanning tree. VT is selected vertex. So initially we select one vertex, so that will be part of VT. ET will be the minimum cost edges. At start point, ET will be null. For loop I equals to 1 to all vertices, we will find minimum weighted edge as E star equals to V star U star. Here V is present in VT, that is initially selected vertex, and U is not part of that initially selected vertexes. Once nearest vertex U found, then add to the vertex set VT, and the edge which creates V to U will be added to the set ET. This step repeats until all the vertex reach and added to the VT. So this will create minimum cost spanning tree. Now let's start with Kruskal's algorithm. This is one of the greedy algorithm to find the minimum spanning tree. The algorithm begins by sorting the graph edges in increasing order of their weights. It starts with an empty subgraph. Then it selects the first edge which is minimum in a sorted list, and so on, such that it does not create a cycle and cover all the vertices. If cycle is creating, then that particular edge will be skipped. So let's look into example. The graph G is a undirected weighted connected graph. So finding minimum spanning tree using Kruskal's algorithm. Here 3 columns are shown in the diagram. First one is tree edges which are selected, the sorted list of the edges in an increasing order of their weights. The last one, illustration graph. Here the selected edge in the column 2 and the graph column 3 shown with a bold color. As BC is the lowest weight, this will be selected first. Next, EF with a weight of 2 will be selected, then AB with a weight of 3, BF with a weight of 4. The next edge is CF with a weight of 4, but it will not be selected because it will create a cycle. Already BC with a weight of 1 and BF with a weight of 4 are marked. If you mark CF, it will create a triangle, so CF will be discarded. The next edge is selected is DF with a weight of 5. Now all the vertices are covered with a minimum weighted edges. So this creates minimum spanning tree. This is Kruskal's algorithm to construct a minimum spanning tree. Input is weighted connected graph. Output is ET, the set of edges composing a minimum spanning tree. Initially, all the edges are sorted in increasing order of their weights. So initial state ET will be null as not a single edge is selected. K is the number of processed edges until all the vertex reach. If the initial selected edge not makes a cycle, then add into ET. else it will be discarded. And this loop continues until all the vertex reaches. So this gives minimum spanning tree.